In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Pinterest pins that go viral. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time we post a new video. Welcome to Yes to Tech, where we empower non-techie online entrepreneurs like you to maximize your online presence. First of all, if you don't know how to add a branded transparent overlay to your Pinterest pins, which we'll be using in this video, make sure to watch my video on how to create a branded transparent overlay on an image. The link to it is in the description box below. We'll be using Canva to make Pinterest pins that go viral. So if you don't have an account with Canva yet, click the link below this video to create one. It's 100% free, so you have nothing to lose. To create Pinterest pins that go viral using Canva, go to canva.com, log into your account, click on Create a Design in the top left-hand side corner, and then click on Use Custom Dimensions in the top right-hand side corner. Set the custom dimensions to 564 pixels by 922 pixels, and then click on Design. The first thing we'll do is upload the image we added a branded transparent overlay to. To do so, click on Uploads on the left-hand side, upload your own images, select the image with the branded transparent overlay, and then click on Open. Once it has been uploaded, drag and drop it onto your design space. And you may need to resize and recenter it so that it occupies the entire screen. Okay, so now let's add our text so that it relates to the topic of our blog post. To do so, click on Text on the left-hand side panel and choose the Graphic Design Preset Text template. Now we'll customize it to fit in with our brand. I'll change this top line over here so that it says how to create a. Change the font to Railway, which is one of the fonts of my brand. Increase the size to 32. Change the color to one of my brand's colors. So I'll click on the color picker on the plus sign over here, and then at the bottom insert the color code, so 2E333B. Make it bold, centralized, and also edit the spacing so that the letter spacing is 110 and the line height is 1. In this second section, I'll change the text so that it says logo for free. Change the font to Railway Heavy, which is another font of my brand. Increase the size to 104. Change the color to white. And edit the spacing so that the letter spacing is 0. And also let's make sure that this is centralized. In this third section over here, I'll change the text so that it says, even if you don't know anything about design. Change the font to Railway. Increase the size to 24. Change the color to another one of my brand's colors. So click on the color picker, the plus sign, and add the color code here at the bottom. So FCB900. Make this bold, centralized, and edit the spacing so that the line height is 1 and the letter spacing is 110. I'll also go ahead and delete this fourth section over here by selecting it, clicking on the trash can on the top, and then clicking on delete element. Now, since these elements over here aren't exactly centralized, I'll click on ungroup so that they're all centralized on the page. Now let's add another line of text which includes our domain. So under the same text menu over here, click on Add Subheading and edit it so that it's your domain. In my case, www.yes2tech.com. Change the font to Railway. Make the size smaller, so 21 pixels. Change the color to white and all caps. And then drag and drop it so that it's at the bottom of our screen. Lastly, let's add our logo to the top of the pin. Under Uploads on the left-hand side panel, click on Upload Your Own Images, select your logo, and then press Open. Since I've already uploaded my logo, I'll just locate it in my Uploads folder, click on it, and drag and drop it to the part I would like to add it to. Once you're happy with how your Pinterest pin looks, all you have to do is rename it up top and click on Download to save it to your computer. And here's a pro tip. Keep this Pinterest pin that you just created as a template. This will save you a ton of time, since the next time you want to create a Pinterest pin that goes viral, all you have to do is copy it and change the elements so that they fit in with your new blog post topic. And that's it. Now you know how to create Pinterest pins that go viral. If you want even more tips on how to use Canva for your online business, make sure to watch my video on how to design gorgeous lead magnets and PDFs in Canva. I now want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below what was the topic of the Pinterest pin that you created using this viral pin making process. If you want to boost your site's traffic with Pinterest group boards but don't know which ones are worth joining, click the link in the description box below to download a free spreadsheet with the 50+ top Pinterest group boards for bloggers and online entrepreneurs. If you liked this video, give me a like below, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.